Electric scooters have taken off in recent years, offering powerful motors, impressive speed, and durable construction for city commutes and thrilling rides. Here's a detailed look at 5 high-performance electric scooters. You can buy that pack a punch with their features, speed, and range. The GOTRAX GX0 is a strong choice for electric scooters. It offers good performance at a reasonable price. With 2 500-watt motors, it can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour while remaining stable and easy to control. The removable 576-watt battery gives a range of 25-30 miles, but if you ride hard, the range may drop to 12-15 miles. Weighing 66 pounds, the scooter has dual suspension and a comfortable kickplate, making it easier to ride on rough urban streets. Its bright RGB lights improve visibility and add style. Front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, although it may take some practice to get used to the controls. The GX0 has strong power, a folding design, and a removable battery, making it great for city riding. While its range might not be enough for long trips, it delivers exciting performance at an affordable price. The electric scooter market has been energized by the HYPERION, featuring an impressive 4,500-watt dual motor setup that delivers an exhilarating top speed of 65 miles per hour. Designed for serious riders, this powerhouse boasts a remarkable 60-mile range, making it ideal for extended adventures or long-distance commuting. Built for uncompromising performance, the HYPERION is equipped with full hydraulic brakes, advanced lighting systems, and a robust 72V battery. Its sturdy construction ensures stability and confident handling, even at high speeds, while the sophisticated braking system provides reliable stopping power when needed. Although its weight exceeds 100 pounds, which may pose challenges for portability, enthusiasts consistently praise its exceptional build quality and thrilling performance capabilities. The solar HYPERION stands as a testament to modern electric engineering. Still, it is best suited for experienced riders seeking maximum power and range, rather than casual commuters who prioritize convenience. The ROADRUNNER RX-7 electric scooter is a powerhouse in the scooter world, designed for those who prioritize speed, durability, and range. Capable of reaching up to 55 miles per hour, it's equipped with a 3,200-watt dual motor system and offers a notable range of up to 70 miles, making it ideal for long commutes and off-road adventures alike. The RX-7 features all-terrain pneumatic tires and a durable suspension system that's especially adept at handling uneven surfaces, enhancing ride comfort and stability at high speeds. However, its heavier frame, designed for stability, can make it challenging to carry and maneuver in tight spaces, which may limit its convenience for daily commuting. Despite this, users favor its longevity, strong battery performance, and ability to handle mixed terrain with ease, making it a top pick for experienced riders seeking reliable performance and power. The INMOTION RS is a solid and versatile electric scooter that is great for city rides and adventures. It can reach speeds of up to 55 miles per hour with a peak power of 6,000 watt and has a range of about 50 miles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for long trips and fast rides. The scooter has a dual motor system and advanced suspension, which provides stability and a smooth ride, even on rough roads or light off-road paths. The RS features ABS brakes, an IPX4 water resistance rating, and an LCD that shows important information for riders. Many commuters and experienced riders like the RS for its balance of power and agility. Some beginners, however, might find its strength too much to handle. Overall, the scooter's speed, range, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for both thrill-seekers and daily commuters. The KAABO Wolf King GTR is a standout in the electric scooter market, boasting an astonishing top speed of up to 65 miles per hour and a substantial range of 50-60 miles, depending on riding conditions. powered by a formidable 2,000-watt dual motor. It delivers thrilling acceleration and performance that few can match. The GTR is built for rugged terrains, featuring robust, tubeless tires, advanced dual hydraulic brakes, and a premium suspension system designed to absorb shocks, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough trails. Despite its power, the GTRA's 115-pound weight can make it less practical for casual city commuting. However, serious riders praise its stability and off-road capabilities, noting that it excels in providing an exhilarating ride. With its remarkable construction and performance, the KAABO Wolf King GTR is ideal for thrill seekers who demand not just speed but also durability and superior handling. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Let us know which one you are currently using or which one you plan to buy.